Welcome to Oracle Business Intelligence, also called OBI. This video is intended to supplement the Faculty OBI Grants Funds Available Quick Reference Guide. For additional details, please refer to this quick reference guide. OBI is a web-based reporting tool used to support Ohio's academic and administrative offices. With OBI, you may query data in a dashboard. This data may be viewed in OBI or exported for further analysis. The Finance Lookups Dashboard is available to all Ohio faculty and staff. The Finance Lookups Dashboard includes the Grants Funds Available Dashboard page or tab. The Grants Funds Available Dashboard page details the totals by project, task, and award combination with drill downs to project, task, and award summaries. To log into OBI, use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome and visit this website. Click to select Oracle Business Intelligence. Enter your Ohio ID and password. Click Login. Complete your multi-factor authentication. In the top right, click Dashboards. Under Finance and Administration Dashboards, click Finance Lookups. The Finance Lookups Dashboard includes dashboard pages or tabs that you can use to access different data. Click to select the Grants Funds Available dashboard page. Grants Funds Available provides a snapshot of the funds available for the individual or department. PTA start date and PTA end date to identify valid expenditure item dates for that PTA. You may also see if the PTA is currently chargeable. The Grants Funds Available dashboard page also provides drill down capability. Now that you have logged into OBI and navigated to Finance Lookups, Grants Funds Available, we will focus on OBI navigation and usage. The remaining portion of this video will focus on prompts. You will also learn how to save a custom prompt, apply a custom prompt, drill down, navigate back to the summary level using breadcrumbs, and export data to Microsoft Excel. Prompts allow you to query specific data in order to narrow your data results. In this example, I will prompt by award project member. To search for an award member or project member, next to the award project member field, click the down arrow. Click Search. In the blank name field, enter the person's last name. This field is case sensitive, so let's deselect the Match Case checkbox. Click Search. When the name or names display, click to select the appropriate name and click OK. The individual that you selected will now display in the Award Project Member field. The asterisk next to period indicates this is a required field. Click to select the desired period. Click Apply to yield the data results. All of the projects associated with this individual will display. Blue text indicates a hyperlinked drill down for further detail. You may drill down by project, task, or award to view expenditure categories and even expense transactions. Please note, OB financial data is refreshed daily at 1:00 a.m. If you query the same data regularly, you may save your custom prompt for future use. If you choose to save your custom prompt, please note that it is associated with the dashboard page that is currently selected. To save your custom prompt, click Page Options. Click Save Current Customization. Enter a name for your custom prompt. If you want your customized prompt to be the default for the current dashboard page, click the checkbox next to Make this my default for this page. If you click this checkbox, each time you click the Grants Funds Available dashboard page, your saved customization will automatically display. Click OK. Please note, since period is a required field, it will save as well. In the future, you will need to update period and click Apply. In our current example, we prompted by award project member. Let's add an additional prompt to our existing analysis. Next to award type, click the down arrow and prompt by research incentive. Click Apply. Again, if you query this data regularly, you may save your current custom prompt for future use. To save your custom prompt, click Page Options. Click Save Current Customization. Enter a name for your custom prompt. Click OK. If you save one or more customizations, you may apply them whenever you like. To apply a saved customization, on the Grants Funds Available dashboard page, click Page Options. Trace to apply saved customization and click to select the desired custom prompt. Your saved customization will display. As a reminder, period is a required field. The period that was selected when you saved your customization will also save. In the future, you will need to update period and click Apply. At that point in time, you may resave your customization to include the current period. If you know your project number, you may prompt by project number. Click to select the appropriate period. Enter your project number. Click Apply. The grants funds available for this project number will display. Grants funds available provides drill down capability. The blue text or hyperlink indicates that you can drill down to further detail. Here, we could drill down by project, task, or award. In this example, I will drill down by project number. Several expenditure categories display. To drill down further, I'm going to click on Other Operating Costs and select Expenditure Category. Here I can see that $26.94 was spent on shipping and freight for research supplies. To return to the previous screen, in the breadcrumbs located in the lower left, click Funds Available by Expenditure Category. Let's look at another example. This time I will drill down by supplies. Select Expenditure Category. There are many transactions for supplies. We could scroll down and view this data on screen, but instead, let's export this data to Microsoft Excel for further analysis. The Export option is located at the bottom of the data. If you export to Microsoft Excel, it will maintain the OB formatting that you see on your screen. To export the data to Microsoft Excel, click Export and then click Excel 2007. To confirm that you would like to open the data with Microsoft Excel, click OK. In Microsoft Excel, click the Enable Editing button. Now you may modify or save the worksheet. This concludes this video tutorial. For additional details, please refer to the Faculty OB Grants Funds Available Quick Reference Guide. You may also direct your questions to Finance Customer Care at 740-597-6446 or email financecustomercare@ohio.edu.